How budget-friendly meals feed your financial success with every bite. Hey there, welcome back to our channel. Today we're diving into a topic that's not only delicious, but also incredibly important for your financial success. We're talking about how budget-friendly meals can feed your financial success with every bite. Now you might be wondering, why is this topic so important? Well, let me tell you. In today's fast-paced world, it's easy to get caught up in the hustle and bustle of everyday life. We often find ourselves spending a significant portion of our income on food, without even realizing it. But what if I told you that by making a few simple changes to your eating habits, you could save a ton of money and set yourself up for financial success? That's right. In this video, we're going to show you how budget-friendly meals can have a huge impact on your financial well-being. We'll be sharing some practical tips and strategies that you can start implementing right away to stretch your food budget without sacrificing taste or nutrition. So, what can you expect to learn from this video? Well, we'll be covering a range of topics, including meal planning on a budget, smart grocery shopping techniques, and creative ways to repurpose leftovers. We'll also be sharing some delicious and affordable recipe ideas that will leave your taste buds satisfied and your wallet happy. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear understanding of how budget-friendly meals can contribute to your financial success. You'll be equipped with the knowledge and tools to make smarter choices when it comes to your food expenses, allowing you to save money and achieve your financial goals. So if you're ready to take control of your finances and enjoy some mouth-watering meals along the way, then stay tuned. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you never miss an episode. Let's dive in and discover how budget-friendly meals can feed your financial success with every bite. In the midst of rising living costs and economic uncertainties, finding ways to save money and improve our financial well-being has become more important than ever. One area where we can make a significant impact is in our food budget. For centuries, people have been finding creative ways to stretch their food resources and make the most of what they have. From the Great Depression era to the present day, budget-friendly meals have been a staple in households around the world. These meals are not only affordable, but they also provide the necessary nutrients to keep us healthy and satisfied. However, despite the benefits, many people still face challenges when it comes to incorporating budget-friendly meals into their daily lives. Time constraints, lack of cooking skills, and limited access to fresh ingredients are just a few of the obstacles that can make it difficult to embrace this approach. But here's the good news. With a little planning and creativity, anyone can overcome these barriers and enjoy the financial benefits of budget-friendly meals. By learning how to meal plan, shop smart, and make the most of leftovers, you can significantly reduce your food expenses without sacrificing taste or nutrition. In fact, budget-friendly meals can be an opportunity for culinary exploration and creativity. With the right recipes and techniques, you can transform simple, affordable ingredients into delicious and satisfying meals that will leave you feeling nourished and financially empowered. So, if you're ready to take control of your food budget and feed your financial success with every bite, join us as we explore the world of budget-friendly meals and discover the endless possibilities that await. Get ready to save money, eat well, and achieve your financial goals, one delicious meal at a time. Key points. 1. Budget-friendly meals can have a significant impact on your financial success. By making smart choices and planning your meals, you can save money on groceries and reduce food waste. 2. Meal planning is a key strategy for budget-friendly eating. By creating a weekly meal plan and shopping list, you can avoid impulse purchases and make the most of your ingredients. 3. Smart grocery shopping is essential for saving money. Look for sales, buy in bulk, and choose seasonal produce to get the best value for your money. 4. Cooking at home is not only more cost-effective, but also healthier than eating out. By preparing your meals from scratch, you have control over the ingredients and portion sizes, leading to better nutrition and savings. 5. Repurposing leftovers is a great way to stretch your food budget. Get creative with your leftovers and transform them into new meals or use them as ingredients in other dishes. 6. Don't be afraid to experiment with budget-friendly ingredients. Affordable staples like beans, lentils, and grains can be the foundation of nutritious and delicious meals. 7. Investing in kitchen essentials, such as a slow cooker or pressure cooker, can save you time and money. These appliances make it easy to cook budget-friendly meals in bulk and freeze leftovers for later. 8. Remember, budget-friendly meals don't have to be boring. Get inspired by different cuisines, try new recipes, and make cooking an enjoyable and creative experience. By incorporating these strategies into your daily life, you can enjoy delicious, nutritious meals while saving money and achieving your financial goals. When it comes to budget-friendly meals, there are various aspects to consider that can contribute to your financial success with every bite. On one hand, cooking at home allows you to have full control over your ingredients and portion sizes, which can lead to significant savings. By planning your meals in advance and buying ingredients in bulk, you can take advantage of discounts and reduce food waste. Additionally, cooking at home gives you the opportunity to experiment with different flavors and cuisines, making your meals more exciting and enjoyable. However, it's important to acknowledge that not everyone has the time or resources to cook every meal at home. In some cases, eating out or ordering takeout may be more convenient or necessary. The key is to find a balance that works for you and your budget. Consider setting a realistic food budget and allocate it wisely between cooking at home and dining out. Another perspective to consider is the impact of budget-friendly meals on your overall health and well-being. By cooking at home, you have the power to choose nutritious ingredients and control the amount of salt, sugar, and unhealthy fats in your meals. This can lead to long-term health benefits and potentially reduce healthcare costs in the future. It's also worth mentioning that budget-friendly meals can be a great opportunity for creativity and exploration. Look for affordable ingredients that are in season or on sale, and challenge yourself to come up with new recipes or adapt existing ones. Share your experiences and ideas with others, and learn from their perspectives as well. In conclusion, budget-friendly meals have the potential to feed not only your financial success, but also your overall well-being. By being mindful of your food choices, planning ahead, and embracing creativity, you can enjoy delicious and nutritious meals while staying within your budget. So, how do you approach budget-friendly meals? What are your favorite tips and tricks? Share your thoughts and experiences in the comments below. In conclusion, budget-friendly meals have the power to not only nourish our bodies but also contribute to our financial success. By incorporating smart meal planning, shopping strategies, and creative cooking techniques, we can stretch our food budget and make the most of every ingredient. The benefits of budget-friendly meals go beyond just saving money. They allow us to take control of our health by choosing nutritious ingredients and avoiding excessive salt, sugar, and unhealthy fats. Additionally, cooking at home gives us the opportunity to explore different flavors, cuisines, and cooking methods, making mealtime more exciting and enjoyable. Remember, the key to success lies in finding a balance that works for you and your budget. Take advantage of seasonal produce, sales, and bulk buying to maximize your savings. Plan your meals in advance and make use of leftovers to reduce food waste. And don't be afraid to get creative in the kitchen. I hope this video has provided you with valuable insights and practical tips for incorporating budget-friendly meals into your life. By implementing these strategies, you can not only save money but also improve your overall well-being. If you found this video helpful, be sure to subscribe to our channel for more informative content. Don't forget to like this video and share it with others who may benefit from it. Thank you for watching, and happy cooking!